Today we'll go through a PSLE question year 2015, paper 2, question 17. At first look at the question, you will see this one over here is a bundle question. You will always buy 2 large at $15, 3 small at $10. So what I mean by you always buy in this way means that you do not go and find for me 1 large is 15 divided by 2, 750. And you do not go and buy 1 potted plants at $3.33 if you really divide 10 divided by 3 and you cannot the decimal round up, round down or what? No, we are not going to round off. We're not going to do anything with it because we are going to solve using 2 large $15 and 3 small $10. Never ever break them up to 1 large, 1 small for such a question. Understand? Okay, now let's read the question. Peggy and Gemma bought potted plants at the prices shown below. She bought an equal number of large and small potted plants. So whenever there is equal number, please pay more attention on this word. It's telling you is an equal number, does it refer to the potted number of plants? Or does this number refer to the value? You have to think about it. Okay, so this is the first clue that we have from the question. The second clue in the question is she spent $175 more on the large one. So this means that whenever you buy once you buy all the large one, the total amount of money you spend on the large one is $175 more than the total amount of money you spend on the small plants. Okay? And what do they want? They want to find how many potted plants you buy all together. So read for understanding first, then go the second round, look at this question again and underline some of the keywords that you have in the question. So the first sentence, Peggy had an equal number of large and small potted plants. So what does this sentence mean? It means that when Peggy walked into the shop, when she go and buy, right, she will buy 2 large, she also will buy 2 small. If she buy 3 large, she also will buy 3 small. So if she buy 5 large, she'll buy 5 small. But the problem is we cannot break the bundle up, right? We cannot buy one by one. So we cannot say buy 1 large, 1 small. Our large is always in multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And our small is always in multiples of 3. So she always must buy in 3, 6, 9, and 12. So what do we do first? We will have to find the lowest common multiple of the quantity, the 2 large pots, and the 3 small pots. We need to make this the same first. So what do we do? List out the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 for multiples of 2. Multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Identify the common multiples. You will see there's 8, got 6, got 12. If you continue, there's more to it, okay? But for this to work, we must always find the lowest possible set. If not, if we use 12, we will miss out the 6. Can you see that? So we have to use the lowest possible, which is 6. 6 large and 6 small is the number of pots that she will always buy when she steps into the shop. She will always buy 6 large, 6 small. Okay? Or 12 large, 12 small. Followed by 18 large, 18 small. So it's always multiples of 6. Can you see that? So we will use the lowest common multiple, 6, to find the answer first. So that's the first step. Always must be always the lowest possible number for the quantity for step number 1. So lowest common multiple of quantity is 6. We go on to find 1 set. Now we know that she will always buy 6 large. So how much is 6 large? 2 times 3 is 6. So 15 you also times 3 to give you $45. Same thing for the small. 3 times 2 is 6. 10 times 2 will be your $20. So from now onwards, we know that Payee will always buy 6 large at $45, 6 small at $20. No other combination, only 6 large, 6 small. Whenever she steps into the shop, she will buy 6 large, 6 small. Okay? Then we move on to the next clue. The next clue tells you the difference between the large amount that you buy, the total difference is $175. So knowing that the total difference between all the large you buy and all the small you buy, the money is $175 difference, go and find 1 set. 1 set, 6 large is 45, 6 small is 20. Find the difference of this 1 set from the 1 set that we found in step number 2. Do not go back to the question and tell me 15 minus 10, okay? No, you have to take 45 minus 20 to give you $25. Then what do we do next is to find number of sets. So What do you mean by number of sets? In this $175, how many $25 do we have? So we take 175 divided by 25 to give you 7. Okay, to illustrate this a little further, I'm going to draw some diagram below over here. What I told you just now, right? Whenever you step into the shop, Pei will always buy 6 large, 6 small. So she will always buy 6 large, 6 small, 6 large, 6 small. And we know that the one difference for 6 large and 6 small is $25. We know that the total that she has when she buy all the large minus all the small is $175. Okay? So what does this step over here means? It's taking this $175 divided by $25 to find how many bubbles do we have. That's why we found the bubbles at 7, meaning there are 7 bubbles on this one. Okay? So with this understanding, you should be able to answer to the question now. From the question, we want to find out how many potted plants did she buy all together. So number of potted plants. We are going back to the quantity, okay? So in the one set, we know that we are buying 6 large potted plants and 6 small potted plants. So in one set, the total number of plants that we are buying is 6 plus 6, 12. And you can see from here also, right? The one group, the one bubble inside 6 plus 6 is 12. And then we know that we have 7 sets. So 7 times 12 will give you the number of potted plants, 84. So the answer for this question is 84. Okay?